Hello friends, welcome back to SheriTV. I'm Sheri and today I'm unboxing my second ever GlobeIn box. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite subscriptions. It's totally different from anything else that I subscribe to. It is a sustainable, it's hard to say, a sustainable subscription box that supports artisans in remote communities. And you get to learn about the artisans every month when you receive your box, which is a real treat and something that I very much enjoy. This box was gifted to me by GlobeIn, and I'm just so thankful to be introduced to it. I had seen lots of unboxings in the past, and I had hoped that I would get the chance to finally do this. And last month I did. I got to unbox the cookery box. Loved it. It was gorgeous. Make sure you go back and watch that video. It was like a pitcher and some gorgeous glasses and a cutting board, and I use them all the time. It is sangria heaven. And today we're actually unboxing a totally different type of box. It's called the Melt Box, which is a handmade take on a classic fondue set. I bet you all want to see what's inside. Let's do this thing. One of the cool things about GlobeIn is you get to pick your subscription item. You get to pick your box theme every month, and they have lots and lots of choices for you to pick from. So if you're not in the mood for a certain type of thing, if you've got too many glasses in your cupboard, whatever it may be, you don't have to choose that type of item. And believe me, they have a lot of variety. They have kitchen things, bath things, lifestyle, things for the home. It's amazing. Okay, here's a first look at what we're going to be opening. It says Color Your World, and you can actually see the fondue set or the Melt Box kit right here. And on the back, it has some stories about the box, which we'll look at throughout the process. It looks like all of the items in this particular box were made in India, and the name of the artisans, where they're from, and a little story about them can be found on the back of this card, which is really cool. Makes you feel kind of connected to what you're looking at. I'm going to move this over here so that we can minimize that really loud noise when we pull everything out. Let's pull everything out of the box, and then we'll see what it looks like. Ooh, you guys. It's amazing. One thing I've noticed is that when you get all the items and you start to unbox them, you quickly realize that they're even more beautiful in real life than they are on the website, which makes it pretty exciting. They're just so much more colorful and vibrant and exciting. Here's the first item. It is this beautiful little basket. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So you could use this if you're making like a cheese fondue. You could slice up bread, put a little dish towel or a pretty napkin inside and put your bread slices in there. Oh, so cute. Now I'm really, really eager to make fondue. The difficult thing will be, do I want to make chocolate fondue or cheese fondue? What are we gonna do? So again, beautiful little basket. I can think of a dozen different uses for this when I'm not making fondue, so I always appreciate things that are just generally good for the home or even storing cosmetics. Wouldn't this be a cute little makeup basket? Love it. Super excited. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Ooh, I'm opening this without a doubt for the first time. I've seen all the items online, but we are opening it together. Oh, how cute. This is the little votive candle holder portion of the fondue kit. So what we're going to do is place this under the terracotta cazuela that I'll be opening soon. And we're going to place one of these 3 hand-poured little tea lights inside. So those will go right in there. Cute. Love it. It's actually bigger than I thought. It's bigger than I envisioned. And I'm thinking that this might be the cazuela. I was reading about these and watching these on the GlobeIn Instagram channel, and it was so interesting how long this little beauty took to make by hand. But this is going to be where you place your little fondue inside to keep it warm and melty for your fondue party. Ooh, love it. This is so much fun. My son, who's 12 years old, is going to love this because it's going to combine a lot of different things that he loves. All kids, I think, are kind of fascinated by an open flame a little bit, right? So he'll probably enjoy the fact that the fondue is kind of melting right in front of him. We can let him light the candle and things like that. And then, of course, who doesn't want to dip food into some kind of a dip with a little stick, which is what we're about to show you. And I don't remember what these little cuties are called, and I'm not seeing the name of it here, so you know what they are. They're multicolored little food stabbers, which I know, you guys, I'm the worst. I never really get the names of things right, but I want to open all of them so you can see all the different colors. And the reason that they're all different colors is so that when you're having a little fondue party, you know whose little instrument is whose, right? Of course, I will get the pink one. My son will take the blue or the aqua. I'm going to open them all up and show them all to you at once. It looks like there are 2 pink ones, which I think is a very strategic and smart move. Got twin sisters in the house. They might both want pink. Let's give 2 pink ones. I'm sure that every box is a little bit different. But let's take a look here. Okay, here they all are. Handmade in India, all these beautiful different colors. So now what we need to do is we need to find a good fondue recipe so we can brew up some yumminess and do a little dip in here. I think my son will probably enjoy the chocolate type of fondue better than the cheese ones. I know that a lot of times when you make a cheese fondue, you make it with wine. I would love to ask all of you if you have any fondue recipes and you'd like to leave them for me in the comments. I'd be super thankful for that. Also, just to tell you a little tiny bit more about GlobeIn, we have a discount code for you that we will put in the description of this video. It is 50% off your first month on a 3-month subscription. They ship to the United States and Canada. And they are a verified member of the Fair Trade Federation, which means that they pay a fair wage to their workers, which is super cool. I hope that you have all enjoyed this. I am really, really excited to give this one a try, and I love this unique new type of subscription that is in my life. If you're already a GlobeIn subscriber, let me know what box you got this month, and thank you for hanging out with us for this short little unboxing and review. We've got so much more goodness coming, so make sure that you follow us on all of our social channels below. Again, thank you all for being here, and have a wonderful day.